My name is Robert Corcoran and I'm the founder of 73 Degree Community. So we develop and produce a number of educational and audience access projects focused on helping people engage with film and media here in Wrexham and beyond in the rest of Wales and the Northwest. So I think what's unique about us is really our passion for film and media projects. Myself, Emmy, James, and the people that we work with, we're always focused on how can we help the community and how can we help more people engage positively with film and media. I think a social business is really a business or an organisation that is focused on the benefits for the community first and foremost. I feel very positive about our organisation moving forward, both in the short term and the long term. The number of projects we've begun to set up, the organisations we've brought to Wrexham, such as Film Hub Wales and some BFI projects, things with Film Cymru, I think it's all very positive.